In some instances, BCH national focal points may wish to delegate some or all the responsibilities for submitting information in a BCH to national authorized users. The role of a national authorized user, or NAU for short, is to assist the BCH national focal point in submitting and managing national information in the BCH. A national authorized user can create and manage draft national records. However, all records created or modified by a national authorized user have to be validated and published by the BCH focal point. A BCH focal point can designate as many national authorized users as needed. To demonstrate how to designate a national authorized user, we are using the training site. The first thing you need to do is sign in to the Submit interface with your registered BCH account. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm signed in as the BCH National Focal Point for Bangladesh. Then click on the User Management. The User Management interface opens, and this is where a BCH focal point can create and modify National Authorized User accounts. Please note that this page is visible to BCH National Focal Points only. To add a National Authorized User, simply click on the Add Authorized User button at the top here or at the bottom. Let's click on this one. And then in the pop-up box that opens, enter the email address of the person. If that person already has a CBD or BCH account, then that person's information will be retrieved and shown in front of you. If this is the person you are designating, then simply click on the Next button. In this pop-up box, you can assign the type of access role you want your National Authorized User to have. This option will give him the authority to create and manage all national records. This one will give him the authority to create and manage only law records. This one for only decisions, and this one only for national reports. Let's click on this one, and then once done, click on the Next button. And then finally on Proceed. As you can see, the account has been added. To edit an account, simply click on the Edit icon right here. What the system allows you to edit is actually the type of access role. So let's change the access role to this one, access to creation and modification of law records only. Then click on Next and then click on Proceed. And the role will be updated. To delete the National Authorized User account, simply click on the trash can icon next to the account associated with the account, and then click on Proceed. And the account will be deleted. What do you do if the person does not have a CBD or BCH account? Well, you can still proceed with the nomination. Click on the Add Authorized User button and then enter that person's email. The system will show you this message informing you that the account does not exist. However, you can proceed with the nomination. The account will be created and an automatic email message will be sent to the new National Authorized User with the notification of that person's new role or roles and with a link to updating the profile or resetting the password. So click on Next, and in the box that opens, type the name and the organization of the person. Once done, click on Next. In this box, select the access roles. Let's give this person two types of roles: access to creating and managing laws and decisions, and then click on Next, and then on Proceed. As you can see, the account has been created, and you can even see the type of access roles that the person will have right here, and that person will receive an automatic email message. Another interesting feature of the user management page is the free search text box that allows you to search for an existing account. Simply type the name and the account will be displayed, or you can enter the email address of the person and the account will be displayed. Finally, on the user management page, you may see other accounts besides National Authorized User accounts. This is because the user management database is shared with other clearinghouses and the convention website in general. All people who are associated with your government and have CBD accounts are visible on this page. Some roles appear in light blue color and some in dark gray. The BCH-related roles are the ones in dark gray. Please note that of all the roles you see, you as a BCH focal point have control over and can manage the National Authorized User accounts only. Thank you.